Hola mis amigos y bienvenidos. Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. I am Chef Christy and today is a very special day because I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite Peruvian dish. Now I have been so blessed to go to Peru several times on mission with my church. My church partners with Jesus El Camino Bautista Iglesia in Lima, Peru. And just a couple months ago, I was honored to do a cooking class with the ladies in their church. And what I made for them was my macaroni salad, which I'll be giving you the link just right above here for that. But I thought you might be interested to see some of my demonstration. So I just wanted to show you a short clip of that. All right, welcome.
Bienvenidas.
I am going to make a couple things for you all today.
Hoy día vamos a hacer un par de cosas con ustedes.
And it's probably something that you've never had.
De repente es algo que ustedes no lo han visto antes.
I'm going to make a pasta salad. See? Yeah. Okay. So this is what I use, and I've just cooked it
Ya está sancochado.
and let it get cold in the refrigerator.
Eso lo voy a poner sobre los videos.
All right. Then I have let's see if I can get this right. Pimiento.
Lo prendió antes. Algunos, si quieren hacer preguntas, háganlo nomás.
And I'm going to use all of this mayonnaise. And then mostaza. And probably about just about a tablespoon. And I have a fourth of a cup of sugar.
Y va a poner azúcar, un cuarto de cuchara.
And this is apple cider vinegar.
Y ahí va, de repente no lo usan mucho.
We call this relish. I'm not sure if you've ever had it. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon. You just have to stir it until all the sugar is dissolved.
Tienen que mezclarlo bien hasta que el azúcar que hemos puesto se disuelva.
This is kind of like a sweet and sour.
Para que tenga un sabor medio dulce, medio ácido.
Okay. So I'm just going to pour it over my pasta. Okay, so the dish that I want to show you how to make is called Lomo Saltado. Now there is a large Chinese population in Peru, which has greatly influenced the cuisine. So this dish is a delicious fusion of those flavors, and it is truly amazing. And the interesting thing is the addition of French fries. And yes, you heard me, I said French fries, but don't knock it until you try it because it is delicious. It is basically a Peruvian beef stir fry. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you. There are many recipes out there. This is just how I make it here in my home. So I want to share this with you. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm working on my French fries and I'm using my handy dandy French fry cutter. So that makes things a lot easier. Okay, so once I have cut my French fries, I'm just going to drizzle them with olive oil. Now you can fry them up, but I'm saving myself some grease and working on the stove, and I'm going to just bake these in a 425-degree oven for probably about 20 minutes, just until they're nice and crispy. But I'm going to add salt and pepper and olive oil and toss them all in that, and then put them on a baking sheet and bake them off. So just going to spread them out and bake them until they're nice and crispy. Okay, so next I'm just going to season my beef, and I have a sirloin steak that I have just cut into strips, and I'm just going to salt, pepper. Did you just see that? I won't have to clean that off. And then I also have a half of a teaspoon of cumin powder. So I'm just going to mix all my beef with the salt and pepper and cumin. I'm getting everything ready because what we're going to do is I'm going to fry this beef in a very, very hot skillet. Just small batches at a time, and I will show you why. Alright, so to a large cast iron skillet, I'm just going to drizzle in some olive oil. And then I'm going to take some of this beef and I'm just going to put in a few pieces at a time. If you dump the whole thing, then it's just going to steam it and it's not going to get that nice caramelization on your beef. So just a little bit at a time gives it such better flavor. It doesn't take long because this beef is cut very thin. So let me show you what I'm talking about. See, this is what I'm talking about. You see that nice caramelization on this beef? Just frying up the steak. Okay, so I removed the beef from the skillet and now I'm going to add my vegetables. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the olive oil. And so I'm going to add, I have sliced up some red onion. I'm going to add my onion, green pepper, and then I'm going to mince 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, and I'm just going to let these cook until they begin to soften. Okay, so next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1.5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And then I'm using these grape tomatoes because that's what I had, and I quartered them or cut them in half. But the recipe actually uses Roma tomatoes, but I had these and so I just wanted to use them. Okay, so my vegetables have been cooking for a little bit. Now I'm just going to add this beef right back into my vegetables. Oh yeah, check it out. Then you want to add some cilantro, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, now this is the moment of truth. I've got my French fries that have been baking in the oven. They're nice and crispy. And so then just right before I serve, I'm going to add these French fries and then just toss them all in with this beef and vegetables. Delicious. Check it out. Okay, I have greatly enjoyed showing you how to make my favorite Peruvian dish, Lomo Saltado. It is usually always served with a side of rice. It is a beautiful plate and it is delicious. So it's time for me to dig in. I mean, this is so good. It just makes me feel like I'm back in Peru. The French fries are so good. I really hope that you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.